Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to export private key on Guarda application using mobile device. To export your private key from the Guarda Wallet mobile app, first of all, open up the Guarda Wallet application on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page of Guarda, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. In the settings menu, go ahead and look for Wallets Management and tap on it. Now, under Wallets Management, tap on Private Keys. Choose the wallet for which you want to export the private key, and then you will be able to see the private key on the display. Click on Show Private Key button at the bottom and enter your password to see your private keys in the text box. You will then be able to see both your public key and private key on the display. Once the key is displayed, copy it and save it on a secure location. Simply tap on the two square button right next to your private key and you will then be able to copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste it in a secure location where no one will be able to access them. Once you export your private key from the Guarda Wallet mobile app, you can take full control over your cryptocurrencies, accessing your funds without relying on any third-party service. If you lose access to your wallet or the app, having your private key allows you to restore your wallet and regain access to your funds. So that is how you can easily export your private key on the Guarda mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.